Here we go. It's Monday. It's after New Year's, and don't get depressed yet. Meatball, namaste. God bless. How are all of you? Happy Monday. Repeating myself again. Guys, hopefully you're all well. Hopefully you had a great New Year's Eve. I met somebody really cool on New Year's Eve, and I'm going to feature that today because it was really, really cool. Maybe I'm just because I'm a deep thinker, man. I don't know why, but I was watching it the New Year's Eve, like the majority of us were, and you know, whatever channel you had on is fine. I had on the Fox New Year's Eve special from Nashville, and then I met Brantley, and they said Brantley Gilbert's coming out. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah. I said, but it's Nashville. It doesn't sound like and this guy comes out covered with ink, baseball hat, beard, the whole 9 yards. It's like somebody I used to hang in the mosh pit with, man, when I was doing that many moons ago. And he came out, did his song, pyrotechnics, the whole 9 yards. It was like Kiss with a beard, man. It was really cool. But when Brantley came out, he finished his song. He said something quite profound, and that's what started the wheels of thought. You know, the wheels of thoughts with me, man. He said, "Thank you for allowing me to be me." And what he just told the audience, I did a Wikipedia on the guy. I was like, who is this guy, man? He was really good. And he's even coming around in February. I might even go see him. But he just stated his own self-fulfilling prophecy. He was just being that he always wanted to be, no matter how he looked, acted, and come to find out, he's been on the scene for, I think, a decade now. So he had to keep doing that. And this is prevalent today because it's after the New Year's, man. How those resolutions going there, Meatball? We all got those things, man. That's why I live every day like it's Christmas and New Year's and everything else. I might have moved my tree, but that bitch is right behind the camera now to give a little extra light so you can see that glow on me every day. But seeing that was awesome. And because it gave me a great perspective, because that's how I live anyway. I mean, that's who I am. It's just I'm going to be that, what I've always wanted to be, and from that I create the being, the outside world, which is me, man. That's why it's hard for people to understand. They think being, no, you got to be to become the being. Does that make sense? Be is the verb, being is the noun. So now that you've learned a little English today, man, which I had to learn. I mean, I'm not jacking anybody on that. But after seeing him, I get a call yesterday before he came on. I got a call before my mom called. She goes, "Hi, son. Do you want to come over New Year's Day and have some quick takeout?" I'm like, of course I'll be there, man. I got things to do, but I'll jack in there. And while I'm there, Mom goes to me. She goes, "Why do you have to do this on your broadcast all the time? Why do you have to do this and why do you have to do that?" And I said, "Mom, because I just want to be myself." She goes, "That's not right. It's not right." Indeed. This is what we deal with every day, man. It's other people's opinions. I respect that. I love my mom. She's awesome, man. She's straight to the point. If it's not her liking, it's not her liking. But it wasn't bad. I didn't take it as condescending. I took it as opinion, and that's fine. But when you start hearing a lot of those from people especially that you love the most, it really starts to jack in there and starts deterring you from where you want to go. And imagine if you guys did a search on Brantley. I'm just kidding, Brantley. You're freaking awesome, man. If you did a search, you would think it doesn't match him. It doesn't match that esoteric name that this guy has, man. You know, think like you something you see at a Pantera concert, man, coming out of the mosh pit after jacking a few people in the head with his foot. But at the same time, he just wanted to be that. And he molded himself around that to create the most amazing life. And he had to keep being that person all the time. Does that make sense? So I'm going to get right to the quote box because this is prevalent, man. I'm going to, but first, I'm going to say this first. You guys know what an echo is. You know, echo, not that thing in the box, man, I got behind me or when you got in your house or whatever you want to call it. But echo is awesome because echo is what, like you walk up to like a mountain range and yell, "Hey, meatball, meatball, meatball." This is what life is. Echo is just the sound effect. Our way of doing it is the energy effect. It's the same thing. I'll give a definition. Echo is the noun. The repetition of a sound caused by reflection of sound waves, hence verb, with synonyms of ditto, parrot, and repeat. And people who contact me personally, I'll always say the word ditto. I'm just feeling I'm echoing the same feelings or whatever it is I have to them as they to me. And you know, when you realize that every feeling you have when you choose to be that something, you start echoing that energy out every day, man. And that's what Brantley was doing with his work throughout his life, which was quite astounding as I did the research on this man. But he just wanted to be something like that. And he kept echoing out the vibration of that. Does that make sense? And you got to constantly do it, because from what he chose to be, he created that being. So it's prevalent, because out of the quote box today, it's how you be that brings what you'll see. It's how you be that. Now bring that meatball. Let me do it again. Jerry, wake the hell up, man. It's how you be that brings what you'll see. And it's hard to understand for people, because when you start getting into the how do you be every day? You know, it says don't worry, be happy. It doesn't say don't worry, being happy. Be is that foundation, man. We're getting into the rudiments of neuroscience and quantum physics here. This is for you guys to understand, because once you choose what you want to be, you start, the word that's not in there is called a process. And the process is a natural phenomenon marked by gradual changes that lead toward a particular and or result. Isn't that astounding? You just choose what you want to be. You want to be happy, you want to be joyous, you want to be grateful, you keep going through that process of being that. You start becoming that. Does that make sense? Going through the process of choosing what you want to be will bring to you the most amazing things in life, or bring you back to where you don't want to go in life. This is the choice I say every day in America's Mentor. This is the choice that you guys have every day. And Yule is the next word. And Yule is a contraction. Because this is the guarantee that you guys get. It's like watching an infomercial, man. This is what you guys gotta jack on your system here. Because whatever you choose to be, and you go through the process and become that being, you will. It will happen. You will is you will. You shall. It's a guarantee, man. It's something that comes in your life with gradual changes, and transformation is gradual changes. It's you choosing what you want to be, following through on being that, which creates that. And that's all Brantley did, and that's all what the majority of us have out there. I can go biblical on you guys today as I'm spitting on the camera, and really get into that, because this is what they said to us thousands of years ago as well. And I'll read you one before I let you guys go. I've been talking a lot of shit today, man. I know you guys got things to do, but because it's the 2nd of January, I mean, this was always the most depressing time for me, because I started on the resolutions many moons ago, and by the second day, if it was when I smoked back then or this or that, I had already stopped doing a resolution. But this is why it's so important. And I posted yesterday on my wall an article that I wrote many, many moons ago, that this was in the heart of my demise. And what started me in the process is called Who Am I? And to me, that was just, I should say, an autobiography of me that I was sending out to the world, man. And that was, 12, 13 years ago. And it's amazing, because I followed my own advice on that. And there's certain areas, obviously, I'm working on. But when you choose who you want to be, that loving soul, that forgiving soul, that person who sees the good in everything, you'll start being that on the outside. It'll start reflecting back to you, that echo in life that you're bringing back to you. Does that make sense? It's really simple. But when you understand the rudiments of creation from a neuroscience level, a quantum physics level, it all goes out there. But the meatballs back then in caves, man, they understood this. And I'll get to this, and I'll let you guys go for today. I got a couple of them. Romans 12, we all know about. Don't conform to this world. Don't conform to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. That's probably the most popular one. But yet we listen to it all the time, and we conform to the world out there with fear, anger, resentment, jealousy. Does that make sense? We don't listen to ourselves, man. But here's the most powerful one, though. Proverbs 4:23. And I'll let you guys go enjoy your Monday. Listen, keep your heart with all vigilance, for from it flows the springs of life. And it's just saying, what you choose to be is going to flow from you in the most amazing ways if you keep doing it every day. It's going to flow from you every single day. So it's how you be that brings what you'll see. What's that how? What's that process of that person that you're trying to be every day? And you keep doing that on a constant basis, and you'll be on your own stage like Brantley is. The guy just wanted to be himself. He just mixed a whole bunch. And I was raised on, I'm not even a country fan, man, but I was raised on country. And these guys are really, red kind of guys. They're into God and country. And that's great. They're proud of that. But he wanted to be something different. And you got artists out there like that. But his uniqueness, and then understanding his uniqueness by saying, look, thank you for letting me be me. with all these thousands of people. That's the reward of just you wanting to be something and life rewarding you by you constantly doing it. Does that make sense? But you have to get past the conformity that life is going to throw at you all the time. And the moms of the world. Sorry, Mom, I'm not going to get a phone call later. What the hell are you talking about? Nothing, Mom. Don't worry, Mom. It's you, love. It's all. That's the beauty about life. When you realize people are just being themselves, that's fine. Don't take it personal. It's them being themselves. You just got to be yourself to create the being that you want to be. So, guys, enjoy your Monday. Hopefully this helped, man. This gives you a little head start. And please feel free. Read the column that I wrote for Tucker Carlson. And it's called Who Am I? You can ask yourself, who do I want to be? Because who you choose to be every day, you're going to create that being every day. It's going to manifest in your outside world. You get the echo of life. The most amazing thing in life is you creating that true self that you've always wanted to be. So, guys, happy Monday. I'm actually going on tonight, guys, too. I'm doing a little plug as I digress. I'll be on tonight on the West Coast, guys. I'm trying to get a link to that so you guys can join me on there, but I'll make sure I post a show anyway. But thanks for joining me today, guys. America's Mentor _radio at America's Mentor Twitter and on what the hell, YouTube. Yeah, I think that. But I will post tonight's show as well. So check it out for tomorrow, guys. I think it's going to be on reflection. I might even run it for tomorrow's show here on Facebook Live. So, guys, enjoy your Monday, guys. God bless. It's going to be an awesome new year, man. But every day is a new day. So every day is taking part of that amazing life. Enjoy your day, guys. I'll see you guys soon, man.